Good morning, everyone. It was raining here last night and it's still raining a bit. I just wanted to show you how the rain falls off the roof here. Things just come out of pipes and go to buckets, which overflow. This is how it is on the farm, my grandfather's old home, and nothing really gets fixed properly. It's always a patch-up job here and there. And eventually, I'm sure this house will just fall down. So this is what happens when it rains. This is his front yard. I'm actually on a little veranda. And I love having my meals out here whenever I can because it's just such a beautiful, tranquil place to eat your breakfast or to have your dinner. I wanted to show you these house boards here, these right here. A couple of weeks ago when I was here, I had to hammer these back up and I can already see the nails are starting to rust. Yeah, a couple of them had fallen off, right? So it was my job to hammer them back in. That's what I'm talking about, patch up jobs. But anyway, at least that part of the house is, I guess you could say, semi-secure. If I come in closer, you can see the water running down the side here, which is leading to mold on the weatherboards. But anyway, what do you expect? This house is probably, I don't know, 70 years old. So that's that. Hey, look, here's a milk tanker driving by. The rain's coming again now, so I don't know what we'll be doing today. Look at the rain coming out of this pipe directly down to nowhere. Anyway, and check out this one. I can't really be outside with my phone when it's wet, but anyway, back under cover for me. Anyway, happy day to you all. Who knows what today will bring for me and working on the farm. But I'm sure you guys are all dry and nice and warm in your lovely cozy homes. And I'm ready to just jump out there into the rain and run to my grandfather who's over in the machinery shed and ask him what we're going to do today. Anyway, I wish everybody a happy day. Keep smiling and look after yourselves. Bye for now.